In the previous video, we have learned about how we can insert the slicers into our customer success dashboard and how we can then connect the slicers with all the charts. So when any button on the slicer is being pressed and we want to segregate the data on any type of the uh, in any way we want to segregate it in any way, then we can do it with all the chart and it will be represented, it will be shown in all the chart, that difference will be represented, that segregation will be represented in all the charts. Now we have designed we have inserted the slicers, we have completed the process of inserting all the tools into our customer success dashboard. Finally we are almost 80-95% of completing the customer success dashboard process. We have almost finished, but we need to, like, we are designing a really beautiful, a really an elegant looking, a beautiful looking, an appealing looking customer success dashboard that should have that should be really beautiful. So we need to also create custom slicers, and how we can create custom slicers, so we will learn in this video. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Assalamu alaikum, I'm Ishtiaq Khan and welcome to Grow with Ishtiaq Khan YouTube channel. In this channel, we'll talk about opportunities and growth and how you can put your creativity on the table. So, if you are a student, fresh graduate, young professional in the early phase of your career, or a mid-level professional, then this platform is just for you. So, subscribe to my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon to get notified of all the videos that I'm posting on this platform, because this platform is just for you. Also, share the videos with your friends and colleagues because sharing is caring. So in this video, we will finally design the custom slicers, how we can design the slicers in a way we want. We have already the slicers available, but we need to design it in a way, the way we want, that I have designed it here. I have designed it here, and how we can design it in such a way. So let's see how we can design it. Now we have already, now click on any of the slicers and go to the options, then we have these slicers available. We can select any of the slicer. Look at this one, look at this one. You can select any of the slicers, but I want to design a slicer that is much more beautiful looking, and also that has an appealing look, that so first of all I need to right click on any of this of the slicer and then click on the duplicate. The duplicate, then I create a name, custom slicer. Now I need to format the whole slicer. Click on the format and how this slicer should be represented. I need to represent in a bold, and it should be, font should be a body, and there can be outline. Border should be this grayish type. Fill should be pattern color. I can choose any of the pattern style, go with it. Let's look how it's looking. Now we have this or easiness in it, and now insert and then click on the options. Our slicers is already created here, and this one, no, I need to modify it some more. Then click on the modify. This is the custom slicer. Fill effects should be, background color should be in such a way. Click on the OK, then click on the OK, and this is the one. It's looking I think it's looking beautiful. Now we need to modify it some more. The header should be formatted. Header color, border, it should have border of, I think this border should look much more beautiful. Can increase the border size. I'm designing in the way I want. I designed it in that in other way, but like I'm just showing you that how you can. This is the no fill should be the same. Font color should be white, bold. This I can use a bold italic. Let's look. A body. I can also use some other thing. Now look at it and look at it how it appears. Yes, this one. It's looking beautiful. Looking beautiful. You can modify it. Header. You need to represent it in a way, the way I want. This shape is not looking fine, so need to insert it in a way that select the item with data. You can format it and muddy and bold, and like if any item is selected, then it should be bold, it should be in this color, and its color should be, I think, green, and border should be light green, and pattern color, and the color should be in a way I want it. Think this one will be looking. Let's look at it. Yes. Now when I over it here, then it should also change in a way I want. And unselected item with data. If any item is unselected, that in should be bold, but its size should be small, its font should be different, and it should have no outline. It should have, but the color should be this one, this one, this one. Look at this. Get the way you want. Unselected hovered, selected atom with data and hovered. Look at this. The selected, and this is the unselected item with data. Now modify it some more and modify it. Hovered selected item with data. It should be white or italic. 11 font play with it the way you want. Just play with it. This one, and not automatic. It should be this one. Font is this one, so it should be it's dark. Yes, dark blue and this and hold unselected item with data. Italic 11 and line and look at this. Now just modify the unselected item with data. And color should be this one. Modify it some more and hold. Problem with the hover selected item with data and yes, this should not be Algerian, it should be Arial Nova. Fill should be and hover select unselected item with data and so be in it this way and let's see border and 14 and now it's beautiful looking and yes, look at this. Or unselected item with data. Problem with it, unselected item with data. It should not be black, it should be red. This dark red. So okay. So you can design the way you want and now select for all of these. Now these are your slicers. You do not need the border. That border should not be represented. So you can also modify it some way more and it should not represent the border. There should be no border. Let's see how it's looking now. This one looking better, much better as compared to the other one. So select this one. So you can play the way you want. It all depends on your creativity, how creative you are. I've designed here in another way, like look at this one. Now I designed it here in another way, and look at this one, look at this one. It represents it, it's not selected, and increase its size somewhat, increase it here and increase it here, and look at this. And now this is your customer success dashboard with the formatted slicers. Now it's these slicers are not final. Now hover, just select, just hover, select. So it will show you that the way you want, you can design it, and it will affect all the charts because it's connected with all the charts, and pressing any of the button on the slicers and it will segregate the way you want. It will represent the data the way you want. So this is all about the customer success dashboard, and in the next video we will talk about the auto refresh method too. That if any person want to add the data into the customer success dashboard, then it will be automatically all the charts will be automatically refreshed without pressing the auto refresh button here. We will not press the auto refresh button here like refresh all, and you will just press the, it will be when any of the data is added into the pivot table, then it will be into raw data, it will be auto refreshed all the charts. So that's all about the customer success dashboard. So watch these videos and also share these videos with your friends and colleagues because sharing is caring, and learn how you can design and show you and share with me how you can design these dashboards in a much more beautiful way that I have designed for you, shared with you all these tools and techniques that how you can design such type of dashboards. So these are 5 to 6 main techniques and also some other tools that you can use and design these beautiful, elegant looking, this beautiful looking, this impressive looking, this interactive customer success dashboards in Microsoft Excel. I have used Office 365, and you should use Office 365 or the higher version like Excel 2016, because some of the tools are missing in the earlier versions, so you should use this version. So thank you for watching and stay tuned. So if you want to move your career to the next level, then subscribe to my YouTube channel Grow with Ishtiaq Khan and press the bell icon to get notified of all the videos that I'm posting on this platform, and also share these videos with your friends and colleagues because sharing is caring. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.